for joining us, and you will see soon our day number 9. Now I had to change day number 9 because we did something different today. Show it. So let me see your lunch that you made for yourself.
I made it.
Good job.
Eggs,
Basted eggs, avocado, and what are you studying?
I'm studying history.
History.
Disney Plus, Lost Cities of
The world.
Lost City.
So you're gonna take a break, have your lunch, and then start again? Or are you gonna watch it while you're eating?
Keep watching.
Okay. And then you're gonna take some notes when you're done eating? My selfie stick. Well, second phase of today. Lighting's not the best. Where are you? There you are. Heading to Dollarama. We're going to walk, trying to get some exercise in. And he's gonna board while there's
Skateboard, yeah.
Well, there's
cement.
places that have no snow on it. Well, here we are. We got picked up from a handsome guy. Another handsome boy. He says, I'm coming and there's nothing you can do about it because I'm not moving. Right? Right? You want to go for a walk? Should we go for a walk? Huh? You're doing really well. You know how long it's been since you've been on the ice? 3 years. If you want. Wow, buscar dónde decirlo. But it's fun anyhow, hey? No creo que es una arena de patinar de hielo de las escuelas y no creo que lo limpien muy seguido. Entonces, y tiene 3 años desde que se ha patinado.
It's so rough.
Yeah, but you're doing well anyhow. Except for the puppy. He's got a ball. There we go. Oh, it feels good. That's
I
why.
like this ice. It's okay. Ate it. And then he falls. My legs are just taking it.
You tired now, huh?